Semflow is an AI SEO app built specifically for Framer and Webflow. This app makes it super easy to rank on search engines and get mentioned in the LLMs like ChatGPT. So it opens up right in your site builder to give you step-by-step guidance so you can achieve a perfect site score. The AI visibility feature analyzes your brand's presence across all the LLMs and gives you specific tasks to increase your visibility. You can also do all your own keyword research right in the app and track your ranking positions for all your focus keywords to see how your rankings change over time. This is the easiest way for you to see which pages are ranking for which keywords and helps you see which efforts are translating into more traffic and sales. And right now with so much confusion in the SEO space and so many SEO tools just flooding you with useless features, Semflow keeps it simple and easy to use so you can do all of it on your own and get awesome results. No need to pay for expensive tools or hire an overpriced agency. So click below to start your free 7-day trial.